Good morning. In this video, we start topic number 9 from Science to Environmental Management. It includes weather and climate, meteorology, solid waste management, and disaster management. It is based on the some natural factors like weather and climate. What do you mean by weather? Here in your textbook, it is given that atmospheric condition at a specific time. Atmospheric condition, it is a totally depends on the change in the atmosphere at a specific time at a particular place, at a various place, means in a district wise, in a state wise, this condition, atmospheric condition is take place, that is called as a weather. It depends on this factor. See, there are so many factors are given. It depends on temperature, atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, visibility. This factor changes, the climatic or weather condition also changes. Weather weather totally depends upon the prevailing conditions of air. In air, what changes take place, that will be changes our weather. Climate, but the climate is take place at a particular region, is the average of daily reading of various weather related parameters. Means it depends on the day to day parameters. Climate is a very long term, it is a long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. There is a difference between the weather and the climate. Let's see. Weather and climate. What weather does not, see, climate does not change continuously. Climate does not change continuously, but climate change, weather change continuously. Weather change continuously. Climate is remains constant for a long time, constant for long duration, while weather is short period. It changes, weather changes in short time, means it is very for short time. Change of weather is faster, it is faster, but the change in climate is slower. So both are, the change in weather and change in climate, both are important in our day-to-day life. It mostly the change in climate influence in our food, cloth, and also shelter. It especially, the change in climate is important for the agrarian, means in a agriculture country like India, agrarian country like India or other countries where the more agriculture is preferred in more. Climatic factors like direction, speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressures are considered during construction of, are important at the time of construction of runways, seaports, as well as the huge bridges are constructed or the skyscrapers. That time the climatic condition play an important role. Climate, it is ascertaining at a particular regions by review of earlier studies. of climate is also very important, because from this review we can decide the climate of futures. By studying future climate can be decided. And therefore the meteorology department meteorology department was established in India. In meteorology department there are observatories. By using the modern equipped instruments and the technology, they predicted about the climatic conditions. If we analyze the climatic condition can be analyzed by using the past climatic conditions records. So it is helpful to predict the futures. However, the climate is the net means we can say the climate is the net result of complex mixtures of the various atmospheric factors. Means it is completely depends on the complex climatic factors. So it is complicated and difficult. So their meteorology department use their information and forecast the climatic changes. These climatic changes are slow and it is limited in a limited natures. However, the climatic changes are complex, interdependent, and rapid, making is difficult. And that is why the meteorology department is very important. Uh, meteorology means, what is meant by it is the interrelationship between interrelationship between the air, natural cycles, and the geological movement of earth and climate. This is togetherly called as meteorology. It includes in meteorology it includes the study of storms, rainfall, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, all are included into meteorology study. Depending upon such factors, weather forecasts are made. Means how the weather will be changed in a future time can be predicted by using the study of these factors. So it is helpful for the common peoples or the common men like fishermen, farmers, aviation services, water transport, and then various organizations. The information projected by the meteorology is very important. In India meteorology department, that is IMD, was established in 1875 by British at Shimla. Its head office is at Pune. Head office where it is at Pune, and regional departments are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur, and at Delhi. Their regional offices are set up. That is the Indian meteorology departments. They predicted, they forms, they prepare the map and prepare map and publish two times in 24 hours. In for this uh, preparation prepare of a map, they use the information which are uh, collected by the observatories. In this institute, in the Indian Meteorology Department, the predictions are these various research are goes on in instruments as well as the prediction about the climate made using radar or prediction about climate related to seismology. Seismology means it depends or it related with the earthquake, and also prediction about the rainfall, pollutions by using the satellites. Indian Meteorology Department provides important information regarding to the weather and climatic conditions. So it is helpful for the aviation, shipping departments, agriculture department, irrigation, marine oil explorations, and also in the production department. So the prediction regarding these calamities, different calamities like storms, um, sandstorm, dust storms, heavy rainfalls, cold waves, tsunamis, etc. are communicated by to various departments. So that information also helpful for various departments. Of India has launched several satellites equipped with several satellites which is work only for the weather condition. They gives information related to the weather and the climatic. So that is also play important role in our life. By by the satellite, the information given, that information collected by the satellites, observatories, and it keep for the further uh, report or the conditions. Then monsoon model and climate prediction. In India, we, from the from the 100 years, some records are maintained, and by using this record, the futures in for future record is predicted. In 1877, H.F. Blandford, he was called the founder of IMD. He is the founder of IMD. Predicted first time about the snowfall at the Himalaya. Then in 1930, the Sir Gilbert Walker had underlined the relationship between the various worldwide climatic conditions and the Indian monsoon conditions. Later on, in 1990, the Dr. Vasantrao Govarikar, he declared the monsoon model based upon those 16 worldwide climatic parameters. And this model then 1990 to 2002, in that period, this model was used to predict about the climatic condition or monsoon condition in India. Presently, their new models are developed by the IJTM, which is work is as well as the work is also in a progress with related to this information or to this research. There in India, there are mathematical model is used for demonstrate to detect or to confirm the monsoon conditions. Forecasts are made with the help of these mathematical models. Huh? Um, in this model, data about current climatic conditions or parameter is mathematically analyzed with the help of the Param's supercomputer. and then by this using this informations, the predictions is developed by supercomputer technology. Then there's a holistic model is there. In this model, predictions are based upon those parameters which is used in a other model. In other model, whatever parameter is used, that model, that parameters are used to predict about the conditions. This is called the holistic model. Nowadays, the prediction declared by IMD are the collective outcome of various models. Okay, and then third model is statistical model. In this model, current climatic observations in a regions are compared with earlier parameter. So previous climatic conditions is compared with the previous earlier, such that the oceanic temperature, atmospheric pressure, and nature of monsoon rainfall of several years information is compared with the latest conditions. So that will be also helpful for predicted about the monsoon in India. So monsoon model and the climatic predictions is important. From them we can get a lot of information related to the climatic condition. Thank you. Next we will see solid waste management and need of the house.